How we doing, guys? R6 Monkey here. We're out now. The day is the day of the Erskine bike meet. Which is quite a big charity event that they run every year for Erskine Hospital, which obviously helps with the army veterans. So we'll hopefully have a good day. We've got a good turnout of bikes and now just running for Route 66 rider training. They were doing a pre-meet up, bacon rolls, tea, and we're just heading out. Hopefully the day brightens up a wee bit right enough. You're on camera. Unfortunately, I know the prick with the polite vest on. Dean! Dean! I'm going to take that vest off you and burn it. Burn it! Live on YouTube! Bet you feel better about yourself now you've been in your polite vest.
I feel like a biker now.
Feel like a real biker. You're on camera doing it. So this is us, guys. This is a wee slow parade lap heading for the Parkmains Hospital, Parkmains High School, sorry. Got it right, monkey. Down to the Erskine Hospital. Fair selection of bikes here today, so there is. Pretty much got a bit of everything. I don't think these bikes were built for crawling at these speeds. You can see just sort of how big a thing it is to the folk round about here. Come out to see all the bikes going by. Obviously every year they do raise quite a big amount of money. For the Erskine Hospital. Now it is it's a good cause. I'm actually quite glad they got a cracking day for it. Of course you need to think about all the people that give up their time. The escorts that are out stopping traffic. And no, you dirty minded bastards, I'm not on about the kind of escorts that go out and stop traffic. But but you know, a lot of organising goes into things like this. Especially when you think of the number of bikes. Especially when you think of the number of bikes that is here. It's days like this you don't want to be running an air-cooled bike. You're glad it's water-cooled. And here we are guys, we're just coming into Erskine Hospital. As I did say earlier, you'll see just how much this means to the local people, and obviously the folk who've got friends and family and care here. Quite overwhelming and emotional just how a simple thing like a charity bike run means to people. The smiles and that you see on people as they see the bikes go by. Definitely worthwhile. How we doing, Daisy? Well, that's it, guys. That was the annual Erskine bike meet. Big turnout, so it was. Weather was fantastic. Now all that's left to do is make the most of the day and go out a run. So that's it, guys. Till next time, ride safe, keep our shiny side up. Till then, bye.